We'd encountered problems with our existing DVR not functioning correctly, making the operational needs of the site fall below our expectations we would have set for the centre. We were aware of Realm's work as they had done other works in the past, so they were a natural choice. Working with Realm was refreshing. We first met Realm's engineer and fire security manager Richard, who was very knowledgeable regarding the issue we had with our DVR system. It would have been easy for Richard to price replacing the current DVR like for like, but Richard took his time to explain fully what the limitations were of this and provided us with a detailed specification regarding an upgrade of the system. We then gave careful consideration, deciding to progress with the DVR and camera upgrade. The level of professionalism throughout the upgrade from all staff involved was at a high level. As was inevitable, we encountered some issues along the way, but nothing was a problem for the team and solutions were quickly sought and issues were resolved.